We really enjoy the taste of the Italian Olive Garden salad dressing, so why not add it to chicken? Today I am using my crock pot and I'm adding in a can of cream of mushroom soup. You can use cream of chicken. As I always say, choose a low sodium soup. Adding in the star of the show, and that is 1 cup of Italian Olive Garden dressing. This adds most of the flavor and tang to this dish. It's so good. You can add as much as you want, but just beware that the more that you add, the saltier it will be. Adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and parsley, and a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, giving that a good stir to combine. These are 2 very large boneless, skinless chicken breasts and are about 2 pounds. Snuggling the chicken in the sauce, covering and cooking on high for 3 hours or on the low setting for 5 to 6 hours. You want the chicken to be pull-apart tender. It's been 3 hours and the chicken is done, and you can shred the chicken right in the crock pot or remove and shred. Keep the pieces a little chunky, as the chicken will continue to fall apart as you stir. The sauce smells wonderful, and we are about ready to make this Olive Garden chicken dish rich and creamy. This is where the dish comes together and gets exciting. Adding the chicken back into the crock pot and giving it a stir to combine. To give it a little color and pop, I'm adding in 1 cup of frozen peas. For the creaminess, I have 1 block of cubed cream cheese. The cheese adds a lot of richness, flavor, and is the glue that holds everything together. I think adding the cream cheese at the end results in more creaminess versus adding it before cooking the chicken. And finally, another 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Giving that a good stir, covering, and cooking on high for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. I have about 3 cups of cooked penne pasta, and you can use the pasta that you like. Giving that a stir, and we are ready to eat. You could even throw in a handful of fresh chopped parsley or basil. If the mixture is too thick, you can thin it out with a little leftover pasta water. The tangy Italian Olive Garden dressing shines through, and the rich creaminess is so comforting. This Olive Garden crock-pot chicken dinner is so easy, and your family will love it. I hope you give this Italian Olive Garden crock-pot chicken pasta recipe a try, and enjoy. You can make this recipe real simple and use your favorite jarred marinara sauce. I'm using what I have in my pantry. I have 1 28-ounce can of tomato puree and a can of crushed tomatoes. You can also use tomato sauce or any combination. To help keep the sauce thick, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and giving that a good mix. For the spices, I have 1 tablespoon of Italian seasonings, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and this is optional, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, giving that a good mix. You can add the seasonings that you like. I didn't add any salt because I know the canned tomatoes will have plenty. And again, you can add the salt to your taste. This is 1 very large boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I'm just submerging under the sauce. This is about 2 pounds of chicken. And that's it for now. I'm covering and cooking on high for about 3 hours, and if you're using the low setting, it would be 5 to 6 hours. It's been 3 hours and the chicken is done. I find it easier to shred the chicken by removing it from the crock pot, but you can shred it right in the sauce if you wish. You can see the sauce remain nice and thick. It smells so good. Now is the time to taste the sauce for any seasonings. I'm just shredding the chicken into pieces and then putting back into the crock pot. The chicken is nice and tender. I'm also grating in a good bit of Parmesan cheese. The more the better. This is about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Giving everything a good toss. Here I have 12 ounces of cooked penne pasta. You can use any pasta that you like. Giving that a good gentle toss. And we are almost done. I'm grating on more Parmesan cheese and topping with a good layer of mozzarella cheese. Putting on the lid and letting it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. This slow cooker chicken Parmesan recipe is so delicious and comforting. Easy to make with chicken, pasta, sauce, and cheese. I hope you give this crock-pot chicken Parmesan recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love! You are going to really enjoy this slow cooker chicken dinner. There are only a few ingredients and it's real simple. You can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts. I cleaned and trimmed most of the fat and now I'm seasoning each side with a little salt, white or black pepper, and a little sprinkle of thyme. I'm using 2 medium-sized Spanish onions, or you can use 1 large. You want a good amount of onions because that's what this dish is all about. I thinly sliced the onions and then cut them in half. You can cut them any way that you like. Adding in a couple sliced garlic cloves, 1 3/4 cups of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar for a little tang, and it balances out the sweetness of the onions. And finally, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 1/4 cup of water. This will help thicken the sauce a little while cooking, giving that a gentle toss to combine. Seasoning with more white pepper and thyme, and then placing the chicken thighs on top of the onions. And that's it for now. Cooking on high for 3 hours or 5 to 6 hours on the low setting. The chicken should be fall apart tender and the onions nice and tender. It's been 3 hours and the chicken is done and smelling really good. Gruyere cheese is used for classic French onion soup. I don't have any, so I'm using the next best thing, and that is some grated Swiss cheese and a little mozzarella cheese. And keeping with the French onion soup theme, I'm adding some croutons on top. Placing the lid back on the crock pot and letting that cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. This is such an easy crock pot chicken dinner and oh so good. All the flavors and comfort of French onion soup. The Spanish onions are sweet, flavorful, and tender. The cornstarch helps produce a nice sauce that you can spoon over rice, potatoes, or noodles. The chicken is fall apart tender and topped with that wonderful gooey cheese. I love the idea of throwing everything in the crock pot and walking away and having it ready when I get back. It definitely makes my life easier and less stressful. I hope you give this easy and delicious slow cooker French onion chicken dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.